Good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make money with Shopify and Printify. Shopify is a platform that allows users to quickly add products, and then from there you can start selling it to anyone worldwide. Printify is one of the best print-on-demand platforms. What do I mean by print-on-demand? All you need to do is simply add your logo or design to any product, and then from there Printify will do the rest. You don't have to worry about the delivery. You don't have to worry about the creation of the product or customer service or anything like that. All you need to do is simply come up with a stunning design, then from there drive some eyeballs to it, and once you start getting some sales, you can start collecting money. That's it. In this tutorial, not only will I be showing you how to come up with designs, but I'll also be showing you how to integrate Printify with Shopify, and I will also be showing you a free source of traffic that you can start using to hopefully start getting some sales. Now, to kick things off, you will need to create a Shopify account. I'll be leaving a link in the description that you can use to sign up. Once you have created your account, which you can do for completely free, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on apps. Then you're going to tap on all recommended apps. Then from there, you'll tap on Shopify App Store. Once on Shopify App Store, you're going to select the search bar and you're going to type in Printify. So let's do that real quick. Then we'll select Printify once more and you're going to tap on Install. After selecting Install, you'll be redirected to a new page and you're going to tap on Install once more. After doing that, all you'll need to do now, as you can see, we are being redirected to the Printify dashboard. You're going to simply tap right where you see your email address, and you're going to select the email address as you can see right there. Now, once you have done that, you're going to tap on Open Full Site in the top right hand corner. After selecting Open Full Site, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you can just tap on Login and then select the email address once more, and you can see you're now logged in. Once you have connected your Shopify store, as you can see right here, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select Catalog. After selecting Catalog, you can see you have a wide variety of options that you can choose from. So whether it is a case that you like to start selling t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, anything at all down to ornaments or mugs, you can select this option. So you can select any one of these. An example that I'll be using is this store by the name of Just Pretty Chic. As you can see right here, what they sell is women apparel, and they mainly target women that are located in the United Kingdom. And the way how they promote their products is by using Pinterest. And the reason why I know this is if we were to do a quick web search, for example, I'm using a platform by the name of SimilarWeb, which is one of the best ways to analyze the traffic that a website is getting. You can see that at the moment, this website is getting 1,700 views, and they just started July, as you can see right here. And by scrolling down, you'll also be able to see where majority of their traffic is coming from. It is coming from the United Kingdom, and also a small amount is coming from the United States. And by scrolling down, you can also see where they're getting their traffic, or meaning the different sources. So you can see some of their visitors, 18.5% is direct, and the rest of it is by via social. And when I say social, I mean that they're basically using Pinterest to drive their traffic, as you can see right here. And their Pinterest page looks just like this. You can see how it looks right here. And you can create pins just like this to start driving traffic to your store. So that is how I recommend that you start getting some free traffic onto your Shopify store and in turn start making some sales. So now to add products, let's say for example's sake we were to select hoodies. After selecting hoodies, you can tap right where you see target market in the top left hand corner. And for example, if your market is located in Canada, you could select Canada. And if you're going off the example that I just showed you, you would select United Kingdom. But we're going to be leaving it at United States. Then you'll select, for example, the best seller, which would be this option. Scroll down and tap on Start. Once you're on this page, all you'll need to do now is upload your design. And one of the best platforms to create a design on for completely free if you're a beginner is none other than Canva. And you can create a Canva account using your email address. Once on Canva, you could tap on the search bar, and from there you could type in logo, or what I like to do is type in t-shirt logo or just t-shirt. After you have done that, you can see that you're provided with over 14,000 different templates that you can choose from. So you can scroll down until you have found a template of your liking, and there are numerous templates that you can quickly edit to your liking, as you can see right here. Now let's say, for example, say the template that I would like to use is this one. All I would need to do is select the template, then tap on customize this template. After doing that, you can add your own personal touches. So you could change the wording. You could also change the font style or size if you want, or if you would like to add an image, you could do that. So for example, we could go over to elements, and let's say, for example sake, we were to add a woman, so we could type in woman right here. Then after doing that, I could tap on graphics and I could add a quick pic of a woman. So let's say, for example, say this picture right here. I could drag and place this, and then I'm going to add this picture in the background. All I would need to do is select the pic, then from there I could align it to the background. Let's do that. So you can see right there, and then I could pull it out. So I'll enlarge it right here, and then I'm going to fade these words. So I'll select the word, then I'll tap on transparency right here, and you can see how it looks right there. Then we'll tap on share in the top right hand corner, then select download and tap on download once more. Once it has been downloaded, you're going to go back into Printify, and you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and select upload, then select my device. After doing that, you're going to select your design, then tap on open, and you can see our design is being added right there. Once it has been added, if you like to adjust the size or so on, you can do that by simply pulling on it. You can also choose to add your design to the back or to apply to all different areas. We're just going to leave it as is, and we're going to tap on save product. After you have done that, you can see an example of how it looks right there, and you can tap on start publishing in the bottom right hand corner. From here, you will be able to choose the mockup images that you would like to use. So let's say that mockup image. Then you can scroll down and edit the product description, and also you can edit the product title and tags. Once you're finished, you can also edit the price that it's currently selling for, and you can see the estimated profit that you'll be able to make. Then you'll tap on publish in the bottom right hand corner. After you have tapped on publish, you can see right here that it is being pushed to our store. So we're just going to tap on X right here to close out, and you can see it is being published. Once it has been added, you can check back in your Shopify store and you will see that the product has been added. And another thing that I also want you to do, if you're planning to use the Pinterest route to get traffic, you can use Canva once more to create pins. So you could go back onto Canva, then from there you could type in Pinterest. So you could do that right here. After doing that, you can see numerous pin templates that you can quickly use. And what I recommend that you do is you can use different examples. So I recommend that you go onto Pinterest and you can see different examples of what other stores are using, and then you can replicate that and add your own personal touch using Canva. So that's basically how you'll be able to drive traffic to your store for completely free using Pinterest. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.